First recipe are these super tasty scrambled chickpea toasts. Begin by heating 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in a pan over low heat and add the vegetables, so that's garlic, onions, callaloo and mushrooms. I'm also adding the chickpeas and table seasoning, Nutritional yeast, and then give this a stir. Allow this to saute for 5 minutes on low heat. Once everything's heated up, switch the heat off and then crush up the chickpeas. Then place the filling onto 2 slices of toast and then you're done. Next recipe is this super comforting almond and date granola. In a bowl over boiling hot water, we're going to melt almond butter, coconut oil, honey, and some vanilla extract. Allow this to melt for a few minutes, and then in a pan over low heat, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and the oats. Keep stirring the oats around in the pan for 5 minutes on low heat until it begins to darken, and then remove the pan from the heat, add some cinnamon to the oats along with the almond butter mixture, and then mix this into the oats until it begins to clump together like so. I'm also adding some mixed nuts and dates to this, and then place the granola on some greaseproof paper and allow this to cool down completely. Then place the granola in a bowl and then add your milk. And now you can serve this super tasty, comforting, delicious granola. Last recipe is this garlic rosemary flatbread. To save yourself time in the morning, prepare the flatbreads from the night before. So all you'll have to do is fry the flatbreads in the morning. This is going to be so much quicker. So in a bowl, combine and gluten-free flour. I'm also adding baking powder and garlic, rosemary, table seasoning, a pinch of salt. Then mix everything all together until it's well combined. Also add in a quarter of water, but add 2 tablespoons first, give it a mix, and then gather everything together. You can of course add more water if the dough is taking some time to come together. And then knead it all together until the flours begin to form a dough. Shape the dough into circular round pancake shapes like this, and then in a pan of 1 tablespoon of oil, place the pancake in the pan and then allow it to cook on either side for 3 to 4 minutes. Going to serve the pancakes with some cabbage and a boiled egg. Of course, you can omit the egg if you want to make this recipe vegan. And that's it for these delicious 10-minute breakfast recipes. If you like these recipes, feel free to subscribe for more healthy, delicious recipes. Thank you for watching and see you soon.